but they can't make me leave. That's the point. You can't.
She's ordered us to remove you.
Okay, remove me.
Please leave.
Remove me.
If you don't leave, you're going to be arrested.
Remove me.
For disturbing public view.
All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. Today we have a video from a channel called Through My Eyes. I shared this guy's video before and it went viral. This guy keeps going to the city council meetings and letting them know that what they're doing is wrong. Obviously, government does not like being held accountable. In the last video, he told them to go ahead and arrest him. And he does the exact same thing on this video. But on this video, they actually do arrest him. I want to send you guys over to his channel to go subscribe and give him some support. I think he's doing an outstanding job. This is what we the people need to be doing, folks. Asking questions. And I mentioned it before how important it is for us to start going into the city council meetings. This guy's actually doing it. And you know what else he's doing? He's also running for mayor as well. How about that, folks? I said it before that we the people that actually believe in the Constitution and believe in our freedoms to actually start taking positions in government, and it's actually happening. This is what I like to see. Check out this video. I'll pause for some comments and give you my final thoughts at the end.
Nobody cares what you say, Pauline. Your city is speaking for itself. Let's go, Steve. We don't want to interrupt your you jerking yourselves off anymore. It is, Pauline. It is what you have to listen to. We got to deal with dead people in our streets and officers punching people. Why don't you come over here and remove me, Kerrigan, again? Yeah, nobody cares, Pauline, about your bullshit. Nobody cares. Yeah, what? What?
She asked you to leave.
What?
Please leave.
Well, no, and you can't remove me. You have no authority to. Yeah, you want another federal lawsuit? You don't have to ask me to do anything. She has to ask me. You can't make me leave. I know, but you can't make me leave.
Let me pause really quick by saying that there's a federal lawsuit going on because of this. They keep trying to violate this guy's rights. And this is another thing that we've been seeing, folks. People actually filing lawsuits. I believe these city council members have been getting away with way too much for far too long. It was about time that we the people did something about it. Keep watching, folks.
We have a whole federal lawsuit about this right now.
Mayor, would you like him removed?
Right. But they can't make me leave. That's the point. You can't.
She's ordered us to remove you.
Okay, remove me.
Please leave.
Remove me.
If you don't leave, you're going to be arrested.
Remove me.
For disturbing public view.
I'm not disturbing anything.
I'm asking you.
All these people are out here. You got a bunch of stuff going on. Why are you asking them all to leave?
Mr. Nick, you're under arrest. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you.
Federal lawsuit, number 2.
Yep.
Okay. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Sure will. It's number 2, guys.
Walk, Kevin.
Don't fucking. Yeah. Idiots. You guys got to be the dumbest motherfuckers out there.
All for your fans.
Oh, yeah, that's just all for my fans. Yeah, here's the goon squad. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. It's a public building. It's a public building. You guys got to be the stupidest motherfuckers. Where's Tristan at? Why don't you bring him in here? It's a public building. You can't stop him from moving around. Yeah. Learn your fucking jobs. What's up, buddy? Y'all doing all right? Sure. What am I being arrested for again?
Disturbing a public meeting.
There's no such thing. Okay.
750.150.
Okay.
You're disruptive in a public meeting.
Yeah, blah, blah, blah. Take it with my lawyer.
Do you have any weapons on you?
What the fuck do you think?
Okay, well, I'm just checking. Do you have, can you grab a bag? Yeah.
Better grab the one off my coat, too.
Yep.
I don't even see your body cam.
Oh, dude, wow, that's crazy that you don't have your body cam on.
Oh,
Imagine that.
Imagine that. All this to handcuff me and release me to appear. God damn, you guys are stupid. You want stuff here?
No, thanks. It's pretty legit.
So just so you know, this officer here doesn't have his body cam on him, which violates department policy.
It was, it's probably not off.
Throwing myself around. Remember, it was all on video, so yeah, probably talking your shit.
Oh, his stuff's right here.
I'm sure his body
Can you
cam.
ever see for a second?
Sure will. Ah, you guys can't even get out of your own fucking ways. When are you gonna stand up? Are you a good cop? Are you a good cop? Yeah, I am. Are you a good cop? This isn't about me. Are you a good cop?
It's not about me.
Yes, it is. This is all about your department. Because you good cops need to stand up about these bad cops. That's the fucking problem. Are you a good cop? You're a good cop, right?
Yeah.
So why are you guys not standing up to the bad cops in this department? Why are you guys not standing up when Tristan Shouty punches a man in the face? What, are you afraid of his daddy? That's what I don't get, you guys.
No, I'm not.
Would you punch a dude in the face like he did?
That's not what's in question.
Yes, it is. It's a question I'm asking you as a citizen of this city to my police department. Would you punch a man in the face the way that he did?
I was not there.
That's not what I'm asking you. Would you punch a man in the face like you did?
I'm not talking with you, Kevin.
No.
You're just gonna spin up what we say in circles.
How am I spinning? You're fucking, you have body cams on. How can I spin anything?
No, talk with you.
His body cam fell off up there. Did you guys see body cam?
And you see, I have no problem with you. I never met you. I have no issue with you. You know,
But you will, because you're Kevin.
Well, hey,
You
that's
like
how
to
you
have
want.
issues with everybody.
That's how you want to proceed it. Have at it. It's your department out fucking secretaries getting shot in the head. It's your department out punching people in the fucking face. That ain't me doing that shit. That's your guys.
I mean,
No, but it's your department, so it reflects upon you. When your department is doing trash shit, even if it's just one or two bad ones doing it, and none of the good ones are saying anything about it, you're all bad cops then. Good cops that don't call out bad cops are bad cops.
Alright.
Right on the side, there should be the power button.
Just
Kevin is a lion, folks, and I want you guys to hear this man roar. I'm definitely going to be dropping his channel link in the description and in the pinned comment for you guys. Please go subscribe to his channel and show him all the love and support that you guys have shown me and all the other auditors as well. This guy's running for mayor. Let's hope that he wins. And even if he doesn't, at least he'll be able to speak and expose what he needs to say. There's a lot of things that happen in many cities across the nation. Misappropriation of funds, corruption, monopolies. And who's going to do something about it if we don't highlight this? I also want to thank everybody at YouTube for allowing us to use the platform to be able to highlight what's going on. What an amazing thing and what an amazing community. A lot of the changes that are happening are because of you. Many of you guys call these places. Many of you guys make complaints. You guys help us with information and you guys guide us in the right direction. I want to thank every single one of you for tuning in and supporting us along the way. These public officials act like they don't know that the people have natural rights. And the First Amendment of the Constitution mirrors what our natural rights are. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys what the First Amendment is. Please learn it, remember it, and understand it. You have the freedom of speech, freedom of press, freedom of religion, freedom of assembly, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. That is exactly what Kevin's doing. All right, folks, I want to thank you all for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell to my channel. You don't want to miss the next video that we're going to drop. And if you're new, welcome. Go check out some of the older videos that we have. You're definitely going to learn from them. All right, folks, always record the police. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.